take out the product from the box. And we put the power cable to the power indicate port. After that, the lights of the product will light up. And then we will need to wait for 20 seconds until the light keeping flashing, because the product is booting now. The first booting will need some time.
Welcome to Smart Home.
When the light start flashing, and we need to wait around another 10 seconds. And then we can start to set up the product, connect with your mobile phone. Okay, after 10 seconds, you press the doorbell. Keep pressing the doorbell for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release.
Network configuration mode now. Set it done in 5 minutes, please.
The product will land into the network configuration mode. So now we connect the handphone with the product. Press Wi-Fi setting, and then searched Bell 02296. Press, and the password is 12345678 and then press connect. After connect, here will display connect to the product. Okay, and then we press the smart bell, the software, and press here to add a doorbell, and then we press search. The app will automatically search the doorbell ID, and then we press the doorbell ID. After that, press done. Okay, now we finish the connection with the product already, and we can try to view. Okay, and then we press the setting, and then Wi-Fi setting, manage Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then we searched your Wi-Fi ID of your house, and then press input the password. This password is your house Wi-Fi's password, and then press done.
Congratulations. Restarting system now. Please wait.
Okay, the product now is restarting. We just set the Wi-Fi connection. After this setting, the product will automatically connect to your house Wi-Fi. And then we set our handphone connect to our house Wi-Fi. This is our company Wi-Fi. We connect already.
Welcome to Smart Home.
And the product now is connecting to your house Wi-Fi. We connect our mobile phone to our house Wi-Fi window connector. And then you press the smart bell apps. You will see the doorbell is online now. So this is to confirm the doorbell is connected to your house Wi-Fi also. And then you can press the doorbell to view outside. Okay, if anyone press the doorbell buttons of the product,
Sorry now. Wait a moment, please.
the apps, the mobile phone's apps will directly light up and have a call alert and also a snake of the visitor.
Sorry, no answer. Please
Okay.
press doorbell later.
We try again. Okay, you can slide to answer. So now you can talk to the visitor. Hello, hello. You can directly talk to the visitor. If you want to talk to the visitor, just simply press the talk. Hello, hello. And then the visitor will hear the voice from you. And you can snap a picture, also take a video. And then you can unlock the lock if you have connect the electronic lock to the Wi-Fi doorbell. Okay, we hang up.
Hang up already. Welcome to visit again.
And if you want to change the ringtone of the doorbell, you can change here. Bell ring. Okay, have several ringtone. Maybe we will choose this one. Okay. So every time the visitor press the doorbell, your ringtone will change.
Wait a moment, please.
Okay, we hang up. And this icon is for setting the doorbell product. The alarm setting, that means you can on or
Sorry,
off
no answer. Please press
the
doorbell later.
motion detect. If you on the motion detect, every 5 seconds the detector will detect if someone in front of your door. It will send an alarm message to your mobile phone apps. And now we set it off. And you can press the admin setting. This setting allows you to add more mobile phones to connect to this doorbell. That means I connect, so I want to add my wife or my parents or my kids' handphone. You will use this setting. Press the add, and then you type the username for the new user. Maybe we'll type wife. Okay, so and then we set the password 1 2 3 4 and then confirm. At least 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 confirm. Username. my wife.
Successful.
Okay, so you can ask the other user to add to connect to the doorbell, use the ID and the password.